Dear students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Standard 4th. This is Sadhna Patil. I will be teaching you EVS. Nowadays, we all are at home. You cannot go out to play with your friends. Your friends cannot come to your home to play with you. Children, are you all tired at home? Yes, we all are tired at home. So today, let us discuss the small things that make us happy and cheerful. In EVS lesson number 3, play and have fun. Children, pay attention and listen carefully. First, we will see what is recreation. We need some time for ourselves to enjoy is called recreation. Playing games is an important part in our lives. They are a good source of entertainment and recreation. There are different kinds of recreation, such as playing, visiting a park, zoo, going on a picnic. Recreation activities are important because they make us happy and cheerful, fit and healthy, fresh and alert, think better. For recreation, we do some indoor activities, outdoor activities, and traditional games. What is indoor games? Games that are played inside a room, house, or auditorium are called indoor games. Example, carom, chess, badminton. What is outdoor games? Games that are played in open grounds or open stadium are called outdoor games. Example, football, hockey, cricket. Now, we'll see what is traditional games. When our parents and grandparents were kids, TV was not that common and there was no internet. Children used to play simple games for recreation. Traditional games are more popular in villages and small towns than cities. Some of you still love to play traditional games such as marbles, flying kites, and spinning top. Now, we will see physical education in schools. Who is your games teacher? Yes, Rakhi Miss. Physical education teaches students the importance of physical health. The PT teacher is appointed to train the students. The school provides sports equipment for students to use. There are few rules in the games. PT teacher explains the rules of the games when you play games. Children, everyone has to follow the rules while playing games. I think you will follow all the rules when you play games. Now, games in your neighborhood. Which games do you like to play at home? You like to play hide and seek. You like to play cricket. Yes. Now at home you play with your friends in the neighborhood. The most popular games are hide and seek, badminton, cricket, tennis, etc. Fair play. Fair play means playing the game in a sportsmanship spirit. These are few points you have to follow when you play games. Every game has its rule. We should respect the rules and follow the rules of the game. Give equal opportunity to every player. Never cheat and never hurt others. Respect every player's opinion. Accept your mistake and defeat. Avoid quarrels and arguments. If you follow these all points, you can play all games happily. Other recreation activities. First, reading. Children, who are your best friends? Yes, Aditi is your best friend, Neha is your best friend. There is a popular saying that books are your best friend. From today, books are also your best friends. Now you will ask me, teacher, why books are our best friends? Yes, now I will tell you books are our best friends because it helps to improve your communication skill. It also helps you to speak and write well. You read books to improve your knowledge. Children, now you all are in fourth standard. So you start reading books. It will help you to improve your communication skill. It helps you to write and speak well. It also improves your knowledge. Next, second is television. Television is very popular means of entertainment these days. You can watch good movies, cartoons, sports channel. Discovery and National Geography provides us interesting information. Nowadays, you watch TV in holidays. But children, you should remember that watching TV for long hours, playing games on a computer and mobile can affect your eyesight. It can also make us overweight and lazy. Children, do you want to become lazy? No. Third is music and dance. Many of you learn to sing while some learn to play a musical instrument. Music relaxes the mind. While listening to music, remember not to put it on loudly as it can damage your ears. Many children go for dance class. Many children like to dance. It is a very good form of exercise. It keeps you fit, slim and active. Children, you can learn music, you can learn dance in holidays now. Fourth is drawing and painting. Children, which is your favorite subject? Yes, drawing is your favorite subject. You like games and music parades. Why do you like these parades? Yes, you like these parades because you feel happy and cheerful. It is a very creative and recreational activity. Next is park. Park is mostly used for recreational activities such as walking, exercising, cycling and playing. Shopping malls. These are popular in big towns and cities. You all enjoy shopping with your family. Next is circus and picnic. Children, do you like circus and picnic? Yes. A circus is a company of performers who put entertainment shows. It is a special kind of entertainment that can be enjoyed by children and people. A picnic is an event to eat outdoors, have a break, enjoy sunshine, and have fun in free time. People bring food for picnics in lunch boxes or in a picnic baskets. People play games and sports. All family members spend more time with each other. Fair and melas. It is organized during different festivals in open places. They are very popular in villages. India is a land of fairs and festivals. In India, fairs are mostly associated with cultural background. Kumbh Mela is a very big fair. Visiting friends and relatives. Visiting friends and relatives during holidays is a good change. Next is zoo. Zoo is a place where many different types of animals are kept, so people can see and watch them. Modern zoos are not only to be for people's entertainment but for education, research and for protection of animals. Next is historical places and hill stations. You can visit historical places and hill stations with your parents. Historical places in India are Taj Mahal in Agra, Ajanta and Ellora caves in Maharashtra, Qutub Minar in Delhi. Hill stations in Maharashtra, Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala and Matheran. Children, I hope you all have understood this lesson. This is your third lesson. Read the lesson 3 times. Listen to the explanation of the lesson. Learn keywords. Learn tick the correct answers and true and false. Learn question and answers. I am going to send questions and answers of page 15. Homework. Recall the trip you made recently or outings you went to. You can share your experience with your parents' children. Solve page 16 part 2 exercise C. Thank you very much. Take care, children. Start your morning with light exercise. Follow all the instructions. Listen to your parents. Take care and be safe. Thank you.